Welcome to the Medtronic Learning Series. This is the Intervertebral Disc module. Your spine is composed of bones, called vertebrae. The vertebrae are numbered from top to bottom, according to their location in the spine. Cervical, C1 to C7. Thoracic, T1 to T12. Lumbar, L1 to L5. And the sacrum is S1. To understand your back and its health, it is important to understand the structure and function of the intervertebral disc. Intervertebral simply means between the vertebrae. The disc is made up of an outer layer called the annulus, a ring-like structure that surrounds the nucleus. The annulus is made up of dense fibrous tissue that is layered like an onion. The fibers in each layer crisscross the fibers of the next layer, which gives the annulus strength to contain the nucleus. The nucleus has a higher water content than the annulus, making it more jelly-like. It acts like a shock absorber. The intervertebral disc acts as a link between two vertebrae. The disc and the two vertebrae that it links form a motion segment. The intervertebral disc helps to control the motion of the spine. The disc is made up of mostly water. The amount of water in the disc determines its height. Disc height also affects how well the facet joints at the back of the spine fit together, and affects the tension of the ligaments between the spinous processes, lamina, and facet joint. When the discs are well hydrated, they are tall and allow plenty of space for the nerves to pass through the foramina, or the hole that transmits the nerves out of the spine to the legs. The intervertebral disc is not visible on an ordinary X-ray of the spine. It appears as an empty space between the bony vertebrae. An MRI is needed to view the disc. MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, is a tool that looks at the water content of a structure. The intervertebral disc, which is mostly water, appears to have a bright center and darker edges on the MRI. In summary, the intervertebral disc is between the vertebrae. The intervertebral disc consists of an annulus and nucleus. The nucleus is inside the annulus. The intervertebral disc controls the motion of the spine. A well-hydrated disc is tall and allows sufficient space for the nerves.